is it? Oh shit! I just lost 16 minutes of. I just lost 16 minutes of content. Ah shit! Stupid fucking thing. What's up guys, my name is Sniper, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be playing Ranch Reactor. This is the episode 3, go watch the earlier episodes if you haven't, or I will kidnap and kill your newborn. Sorry about that, let's just get right into the game. Oh, I don't think... Oh shit! I don't know if I saved last time. Oh, hell no. No, I don't think I saved last time. Yeah, no. No, I don't think I saved it last time. Oh shit. Oh shit, come on. Come on. Man, fuck. Why did this happen? Please just be saved. Like, there was only 3 save files. I didn't look at the times. I think they're the same that I did on the episode 2. Oh shit. Shit. Day 3. Yo, my game is kind of like. Yes, they are here. I saved it. Yes. Yes. Yo. Okay. Wood plank 28. Concrete 155. Yo. 155. That's a lot. And 30 metal. I don't know about metal. Yo, any eggs for me? Oh yeah, I will definitely be going to. What? I will definitely be going to sell these to the market. Selling a poop. It's going to make me a fortune. Now I did watch some videos from this. So let's say from the build book. I heard that we can like drill for oil. So I want to search for that. What does this mean? It's a greenhouse. This wall decoration. No, thanks. Is it from here? There's a well. Food throws. Paddocks. Yeah, there's a lot. Yeah, drill rig. Use on. How do I do this? Apparently it is going to take that long.
Like a fucking slab.
But still. Oh yeah, that's right. I need to place it somewhere. Where can somewhere a place? I don't really know. Oil rigs in Ranch Simulator. Simulator. How do you say it? If I look at the maps. Holy, there are a lot of maps I can put them on. I mean places. I'll throw the map on the screen. You can look at it too. But I think we're going for the one closest to the ranch. The up and left a bit. Yep. the hand and go place this. I definitely don't like that I have the ignition is on F. Like, can I change them? Ah, shit. Yo, how can I get out of my... Okay, so looking at the map, it's supposed to be somewhere over here. Yo! I'm super bad at driving this ATV. Yo, 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 yo! Yo! Okay, I don't think it's here. Oh, is it? I think it's on top of that hill. Right here. Yeah, this is... There's oil right here. Okay, so let's take the build menu. Let's choose the drill rig. And will it work? Yes, it will. So what do we need for it? It's just 20 concrete and 20 metal. Should we just go buy them straight away? 20 concrete and 20 metal. We can buy them from the hardware store, I think. So let's go there. Because I definitely do not remember where I can buy this stuff. Do you think I pay attention to the game? I only play this for the views. Not actually. But I sure do like a little challenge. Oh, it's all your fault! I was just driving here and you came in front of me. Oh, hardware store's right here, there. Ew. The marker is kinda... I need to place the marker over here. Yeah, so, well, at least now I can... Yo! Yeah, now the marker's gone. So let's drive the car into the back. Yep, I can see that it's over in there. Oh, sorry. And I mean, like, we gotta get the cows, the cattle at some point. Yo, oh shit, no, come on, man. So what did we need? I think it was 20 concrete and 20 metal. Right? Right? 20 concrete and 20 metal. Metal plates. Now we have 20 concrete back. Yo, how do I know if... I guess I'm just gonna take 4 of them because they say 5 kilos. Yeah, hopefully this is enough. Not enough money? Oh shit! God damn it. I need to be milking the male goats more often. Oh, and I'm starting to run out of gas too. To the gas station. Yo, 400 meters, can my car make that? Well, of course it fucking can. Ah, shit. Average driver, definitely. Dear. Yo! That's a wolf! That's a goddamn wolf! Alright, let's stop at the Best Burger. Cause we can get money from there and we can buy this stuff from the hardware store. Sorry, just killed a wolf here. Skinned it in a few seconds, a world record. Yo. Oh yeah, I heard a lot of my friends like to complain about my graphics. My laptop is just really shitty. Yeah, I do a lot of my stuff on my laptop. I don't have a computer yet. But I'm pretty sure I might get one in a few months. No, that's a deer. Yeah, no, I'm pretty sure I will be able to get the computer in a few months. So I can do more high quality videos for you guys who actually watch these. Alright, mate. This deer is ass. Oh, yeah, so I gotta mark the best bug. Yo, why am I drifting like this? Oh, they're just probably. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh hey, there's my oil rig. Yeah. Yeah, this time it looked pretty healthy. Like, definitely wouldn't want to be that one deer on the first episode. It didn't really look like it was having a lot of fun when it was killed. But yeah, no, maybe. I don't fucking know. Maybe it liked it. Maybe I put it out of its misery. I fucking hate the F2 ignition. Yo! This car's got some airtime. Oh yeah, and death time too. This is definitely like a hard car to drive. Oh no, I don't know. I think it's pretty easy actually. If you have like good graphics and great FPS. Like, even though I have my graphics on minimal to even try to entertain you guys. But still, yeah, still just, uh, my FPS is running like at 6. Roost the meat. Yo. Because the wild meat for 75 bucks. Alright, thanks. Millionaire. So now we have 335. Fuck. Let's just go back to the hardware store, which is right around the corner. Let's just skirt from here. Damn! I ran over the one. I ran over a hood guy. Like I ran over a rooster, but great thing, my rooster was alive. I was pretty shocked that it survived it. Yeah, bro, it should. No, my bucket is going to fill with water if it's raining out here. God fucking damn it. I wonder if my animals are going to stay alive because of the. They probably don't have like food. Yeah, check out. Yeah, that's gonna do it. Yeah, one of them landed in my car apparently. So, should I go to the oil rig or see my animals? Oh yeah, open tailgate. I think I'm going to the oil rig. So we're now going to just build this. Okay guys, so apparently we have enough for this. To do this oil rig. Yo, my game is so laggy. There's the thunderstorm, I fucking hate it. I'm a bit worried about the goats in my ranch. I feel like they might die because they don't have food. But we're gonna go see. Yo! Sexy man! But now we have the oil rig ready. And how do we use it? I just realized that I don't have a lot of gas. So I gotta go refill it. Okay, so I'm just gonna fill up my car now. Whoops. Okay, so now I just gotta move my car a bit closer. Can I push it? Oh shit. Well, let me at least fuel this bitch. Oh shit, that costs a lot. Do I have money even to fill it? Oh shit! Alright, my household balance is $3.17. I am going fucking broke. I will not be able to keep. Oh yeah, I can't drive this. Oh, I was out of gas. Oh, sorry. I was out of gas. That's why I couldn't drive it. Pretty lucky. So let me. It's getting midnight. Yeah, oh no. Let's actually try the top speed of this car. You can see it in the bottom right. But I'm definitely going to crash before we reach the top speed. No, I feel like I'm about to. Yeah, I'm doing pretty good. Seems like the top speed is 0. Seems like the top speed is 0. But on flatland, I think it should do like 45 miles per hour. The meter does show 110, but that's because they don't want it to just end on 45. Oh yeah, I don't actually know if it's miles or kilometers. You know, no wait, like 4% of my viewers are from United States. So for the 4% of you, I'd say there are miles, but I think it's the same thing if it's kilometers. It doesn't really matter. If it's kilometers, it's a bit more. Anyway, what? I'm going to go sleep here now and save the game after it. But, I'm just going to save the game here. Get more water from here. And let's look at my animals. Chicken egg. Yeah, like this. Yeah, just like this. Oh, there's a chicken egg in here. Oh, there's an egg here. So, but if I pick it up, will she attack? So looks like my chickens are doing fine. They have see if the goats have enough food and drinks. So let's go here. They're gonna have enough for a long time now. But so let's fill the bucket up. It is filled up. Not yet. And food. Oh no, I don't have food. Yeah, so let's just get out of here so we can go. Yeah, no, I don't really understand. I mean, like I'm talking about the gate. It's so laggy. It just stays like that. I can't close it anymore.
So
It's
let's
just-
fill up the feeder
There's
with
like
water.
a huge gap. I definitely know the goats can fit through that gap. So I don't really know what to do with it. So the goats are fine. So are the chickens. I'm thinking about the food. They no, they yeah, no. They do have food. I mean, but I like now gotta like. mm, I don't actually really know. Yeah, water. They don't. The chickens don't have water. I gotta go refill it, but I still I gotta go turn this around. This should do, and fill the bucket up with water. Okay, now get it to the chicken coop. Place it down. Let's drink from that. I don't know why. So now with the food I've got, I'm going to be able to feed you guys. I definitely wouldn't want to do that because it uses my money, but I am kinda forced to. Now, if we could once hop the fence like the Mexicans, I would be happy. Can we put the food from here? No, that's the water. Oh, let me get inside of here to put the food. Yeah, now they have. Yeah. So, I'm now just going to go to sleep. The fuck is wrong with the fucking gates? No man, like you're not Bill Gates, you can't be this ass. Bill Gates is not ass, by the way. So I'm going to sleep in here. Save the game. Check on my chickens. There's one brown egg and one white egg. I think the white egg is like one I can sell. Yep, they're not angry. So I'm going to put the egg in the basket. Yeah, but the brown one, it's like they would definitely attack me. So hey, what's up? I'm coming to milk you. Give me your milk. Or else I'm going to sell your newborn. Actually, I might sell your newborn even if you don't give me milk. Like if it's a male, I just might sell him. How do I know if it's a male or not? Where is it? Oh, it's in here. Hello, what are you? I don't fucking know. I don't see a cock on you. I think you're a woman. Let me see your cock, little kid. That sounded very weird. Don't ask me. Oh, I press E. And then I start milking. Hey, thanks for the milk. Oops, sorry, wrong. Other. Come on, get a move on. Now, where can I buy the oil barrel? I mean, like, not that I have money for it. I might just have money for it.
I look like you.
Probably it's gonna be the hardware store. I'm going to go check on the prices and stuff. If I actually can get there. My driving skills might take a while to get even 300 meters. Oh, shit. Yeah, now that the problem is I don't know how to get oil. Like I really do want to oil up in the game, but I don't have oil. No, I don't think I can oil up with oil from under the ground. I need like vegetable oil or yeah, like black oil. That I don't think that will do pretty well. Hello, I'm gonna drive to your front door. FBI, open up. Handbrake down. Get out of your car. Go see if I can buy in an oil barrel from here. There's a jerry can of luxury tables. Milk can, but no oil barrels? Really? Oil barrel 250. Now, why would I want to pay $250 for an oil barrel? Well, I can't really. Fuck. I mean, like, I have to buy it. Crowbar, axe, shovel, small trailer, pan. Yeah, no, I'm going to throw it in my cart. But I know that I don't, yeah, not enough money. Can I sell the goat milk? Yeah, I can sell the goat milk. But fuck. Even if I do sell the goat milk, I don't think that's going to make me 160 bucks for 4 liters of goat milk. I mean, like that should make me like 24 bucks, I'd say. Yeah, 24 bucks at least. 'Cause that's 4 liters. No, that's so much. 12. I guess I'm going to have to sell them. Yeah, I'm going to want to get my barrel from here. So I can put this shit in here and get driving back home. Cause I am going to have to work hard to get my money back. So let's get to the ranch. And I think we might be done there. Well, dude. Yeah, no, I think if I get there, we should be done with today's video. So let's just skirt. Watch out! Yeah, I'll dodge. Yo! Insert cool explosion right there. Yo, my game lags. And up, and away! Ah, shit. Now. Yes, I made it. Okay, so we just got back here, and I think we're going to be done for today's video. Shut the fuck up! I think we're going to be ready for today's video. I'm pretty sad that I went broke. I have 102 bucks. That's pretty nice, but I need 250 bucks for the oil barrel. That's going to profit us a lot more than you'd think it would. But yeah, for now we can't just do anything, so I'll see you in the next episode. See you later.